welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing my skincare routine. So after rinsing my face with clean water, this is my Jenny's Glow facial wash. So guys, I have just washed my face with the Jenny's Glow facial wash, but before I put the other products, I like to exfoliate with the French exfoliating scrub. So it gets rid of blackheads, dark spots, and basically leaves your skin feeling fresh and smooth. You have to wait 5 minutes after exfoliating your skin before washing off the product. So we're going to dance in the meantime. Okay guys, 5 minutes is over. Time to wash off my skin. I have just washed off the exfoliating scrub from my skin, and I can tell the difference because my skin feels smoother already. So I like to repeat this procedure 3 times a week so that my skin is not thinned out. I don't use towels to dry up my face so that my skin can lock in moisture. So we're going to wait for my face to be damp before we apply the aloe vera cleanser. My face is damp, so I'm going to put this on my palm. So what I do is tap, 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 tap. I have used my aloe vera cleanser and I waited 1 minute. So now I'm about to apply my vitamin C oil. It is anti-aging and it helps with dark spots. So this is love. So this is my next step. I apply my facial moisturizer. With my facial moisturizer, I like to do circular motions so that my product really sinks into my skin. If you don't use sunscreen and you do like your whole skincare routine and you go out in Lagos sun without sunscreen, you've literally done nothing because the UV rays are going to... Is that what they're called?
Oh my god.
That's the rays that sun is. So the UV rays will literally, scar your skin still. So SPF is important in a climate like Nigeria's climate. A secret I'm going to tell you guys, don't tell anybody. It is best to apply your SPF when your skin is damp. And my skin is damp. That's why I said don't wipe with a towel. See, the thing about sunscreen is you actually kind of have to be harsh. You have to. So it actually sinks into your skin. The neck. Don't forget your neck, guys. Your face can be popping and your neck is not popping. You have to. And that's my skincare routine, guys. Don't forget lip balm. And that's a skincare with Angel X Jenny's Glow. That's it.